we didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
I think it's a little golden.
I think you are making me ghost.
No, you look beautiful.
I will see.
Now I need.
Oh, yeah, good one. Where is the one that you put on your cheeks? Where? Oh, you look nice. This brush. And close your eyes.
Keep them closed. If you open them, it might hurt a little. Don't open. Zoa, she looks so good, right?
I know.
You know you look good?
I don't know.
Can I use this?
Yeah.
It'll wash off, right?
Mm.
If I mess up.
Mm.
Okay, girl, stop. Oh, here, there's one thing we forgot. Blush.
Oh, I'm doing blush.
Oh, you look amazing.
Let me do your brush.
Yeah, rub it in.
Rub it in, Zoe. Rub this in. Rub it. Yeah, now let me do this side.
Watch out, guys. Look what I have.
I don't know what you are making me.
You look pretty.
I think you are making
You
me
could
ghost.
actually go to a party like this. Rub it in.
Yeah, we are going to surfing now.
We're going to shopping today.
Yeah.
Okay, the lipstick is a little bad, but everything else is fine. Rub it in.
Why is it bad, Libby?
I can feel it.
Rub it in. Rub it in.
Professional makeupper. Wow.
Yeah.
Totally
Look, I got every color on here.
Why is there this? It's all there. I don't want that.
Freckles.
You can write there.
You want freckles? I give you freckles.
Like on here?
You
Yeah.
look like Golden Dalmatian. Olivia, I put every color on here. Oh, okay, good.
Can I do contour?
Yeah.
No, your mama doesn't like this stuff.
No,
Yeah, it changes your
I'm
skin
not
color.
showing to ma'am now.
Yeah, Livy, we're just messing around.
Yeah.
But this actually looks really good.
Mm.
Yes, Sapana, this looks amazing.
I can feel it.
You like it?
Yeah. I will see in video. No, in mirror.
Let's try. We need gloss.
Glossy gloss.
It's fine. We don't need it. We want it.
I'm gonna make this
What's
look
this?
more like a. Close your eyes.
Nice. Okay, guys, watch out. Watch out.
Watch out. I'm trying to make it a tan. Stay
color.
still. Stay still.
Oh, yeah, nice one.
Daddy Rambo. You're not done though.
It's Dede Rambo.
Daddy Rambo.
There, Ramro.
Dede Rambo.
I think that needs a little more gold.
I found more.
No, it's broken.
What did they do to this?
I need some of these colors.
Gold one. Do. Okay, this will make you look excellent.
Mm.
Okay, guys.
Libby, after that, we're done because it's a lot of makeup.
Okay, you can. Go to your party now.
Yeah, I'm going to party now.